ShipConstructor features and enterprise solutions are developed with a focus on improving effectiveness and efficiency for all users and project stakeholders. The 2025 R2.1 release of ShipConstructor continues with these improvements with updates to the following key features. User-defined attributes allow for customization of many aspects of your ShipConstructor project and are now available for compartments via the project manager. Compartment UDAs enable information to be relayed directly to those modelers or project managers that use these defined spaces for specific purposes. For example, a compartment may need to relay the function or color specification for a particular area of the vessel. With Compartment UDAs, this information can be relayed quickly by simply setting the values within the UDA Manager dialog. Parts located within the compartment will then have the Compartment UDA assigned as an attribute, allowing for improved management of parts during the production phases of the project. Compartment UDAs use the existing UDA tooling within ShipConstructor, from the types of UDAs available such as string and numeric options to being able to edit the UDAs once implemented into the project. Transmit critical details faster with the Compartment UDA feature now available with the 2025 R2.1 release of ShipConstructor. When modeling, creating penetrations for distributed systems through structural elements is now easier than ever with the addition of corrugated plate parts to the list of available penetrable items within the project. Corrugated plate penetrations inherit existing functionalities such as creating, modifying, moving, or editing penetrations in standards, and make is straightforward for modelers who are already familiar with this valuable tool within a ShipConstructor project. In addition, these penetrations can also be transferred to sister ship projects using the WorkShare Transfer Part Wizard just as easily as existing plate penetrations. The ShipConstructor WorkShare suite of tools simplifies the task of working between sister ships with enhancements to the Catalog Compare feature in the 2025 R2.1 release. WorkShare Catalog Compare now allows project managers to compare catalogs within Manager between two projects directly from within ShipConstructor and can be performed prior to performing a transfer, saving time by preventing failed transfers due to missing catalog components. In addition, Catalog Compare can also be run from the command line for use when automated transfer scripts are employed. Further enhancements to WorkShare include updates to the WorkShare Graphic Compare feature, with the ability to now quickly preview modifications within Ship Explorer directly. This visual reference provides context to transfer requests by providing a color-coded visual display of parts that have been added, removed, or modified, and allows for this information to be shared easily between stakeholders associated with either project. SSI's ongoing commitment to improvements for all ShipConstructor users continues with the 2025 R2.1 release, now available from the Downloads section of SSI Nexus.